Have you ever wondered why some people live long, vibrant lives well into their 90s and beyond, while others struggle with aging much earlier? Around the world, blue zones, that is, places where centenarians are common, have sparked a global interest in longevity, healthy aging, and the science of life extension. More and more people want to know, can we slow the aging process or even reverse parts of it? Over the years, a growing body of research has focused on how to extend health span, the period of life free from serious disease. Extending lifespan is still under investigation, but extending health span is becoming increasingly plausible. As a result, scientists are studying ways to repair and rejuvenate cellular and metabolic processes to promote anti-aging and improve cellular health. Today, people are turning to longevity diets, longevity supplements, intermittent fasting, exercise for longevity, stress reduction techniques, and sleep optimization to support their bodies. Biohacking, hormone optimization, growth hormone modulation, genetic testing, and even stem cell therapies are being explored to improve cellular repair and prevent chronic disease. Although lifestyle interventions show great promise, the evidence from many supplements like NAD boosters, sirtuin activators, or senolytics is still emerging and sometimes debated. Still, the interest is exploding because none of us just wants a longer life. We want a better one. But to understand how to slow aging, we must first ask the deeper question: why do we age in the first place? Current research shows that aging is not caused by a single process, but by several interconnected biological mechanisms. Among the central ones are immunosenescence, that is, the aging of the immune system, and inflammaging, a chronic low grade inflammatory state in the aging body. These interact with other key processes such as genomic instability, telomere attrition, and mitochondrial dysfunction. Epigenetics plays a major role too, as chemical changes to our DNA over time can turn important genes on or off, influencing how quickly our cells deteriorate. As we age, the immune system begins to falter. The innate immune system, our first line of defense, relies on cells like monocytes and macrophages. Over time, these cells lose some of their ability to detect and respond to threats and to present vital information to the adaptive immune system. At the same time, other immune processes can become overactive and dysfunctional, contributing to inflammation and tissue damage. This imbalance leads to more infections and slower healing. Natural killer cells, which normally eliminate abnormal or cancerous cells, also lose efficiency. The adaptive immune system suffers as well. B cells and T cells decline in variety, and the body produces fewer new ones. This is largely because the thymus, which produces T cells, shrinks with age. The structure of the spleen changes, and bone marrow stem cells become less effective. These organs and cells are crucial for maintaining immune strength, and when they weaken, the whole system becomes vulnerable. As surveillance and repair mechanisms decline, old and damaged cells begin to build up. These aging cells, along with cellular debris and molecules called damp, trigger inflammation. Aging cells also release inflammatory signals known as SASP, which impair nearby cells and fuel even more inflammation. This persistent anti-inflammatory imbalance, ironically caused by constant inflammation, is what we call inflammaging. Immunosenescence and inflammaging feed into each other in a vicious cycle. Over time, this cycle contributes to many age-related diseases, arthritis, Alzheimer's disease, and other neurodegenerative disorders, cardiovascular disease, insulin resistance, and diabetes. This is why aging is the single greatest risk factor for chronic disease. But there's good news. Around the world, scientists are studying interventions that may slow or even partially reverse these aging mechanisms. Senolytics aim to clear any old harmful cells. NAD boosters may support mitochondrial energy. Sirtuin activators could enhance cellular repair. Autophagy, the body's natural cleanup process, can be stimulated through intermittent fasting and other strategies. Lifestyle habits seen in the blue zones, nutrient dense diets, daily physical activity, deep social connections, and a strong sense of purpose in life offer powerful natural models for longevity. Even though many of these strategies are still being tested, especially in humans, the progress is exciting. The future of healthy aging may combine lifestyle, technology, and targeted therapies to help us live longer, stronger, and sharper. Aging may be complex, but we are finally beginning to understand it. And with that understanding comes hope, not just for a longer life, but for a better one. If you found this fascinating and want to learn more about how to protect your health as you age, stay tuned. There's much more to explore. I hope you found this useful. If you did, like and share with your friends and family. You can support the channel by subscribing. Until the next video, stay healthy and stay safe.